Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will compare Webflow versus Figma. We'll dive into their distinct functionalities, helping you understand where each tool truly shines. Our goal is to equip you with the knowledge to confidently choose the best platform for your next project, whether it's for design, development, or a combination of both. Let's explore their unique strengths and see how they can integrate into your workflow. Webflow empowers designers to build and launch fully functional, responsive websites without writing a single line of code. It provides a powerful visual editor, allowing you to design directly in the browser while generating clean, production-ready HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. With its integrated content management system and e-commerce features, Webflow is ideal for creating dynamic, live web experiences, from simple landing pages to complex online stores. Figma is a leading cloud-based design tool, celebrated for its real-time collaborative features. It's perfect for user interface and user experience design, allowing multiple designers to work on the same file simultaneously. You can create intricate wireframes, high-fidelity mockups, and interactive prototypes with ease. Figma also supports robust design systems and offers a vast array of plugins, making it an indispensable tool for the initial design and iteration phases of any digital product. So, which tool is better? It truly depends on your project's needs. Use Figma for the conceptualization and design phase, crafting beautiful interfaces and interactive prototypes. When it's time to bring that design to life as a live, responsive website, Webflow is your go-to. Many professionals leverage both, designing in Figma and then developing in Webflow, creating a powerful and efficient workflow for digital product creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.